Okay, in this video we're going to talk about the relationship between the content provider and the end viewer without an edge node, then with an edge node. So stay tuned. Okay, this graphic shows a server farm on the West Coast that is sending a video across the internet to a large population center on the East Coast. Let's say that's New York, for example. That is 3 separate distinct copies of the same video going all the way across the United States to New York from the server center on the West Coast. That's using a lot of bandwidth for the same video. Now, when the content provider, in this example YouTube, partners with the Theta network, you have an edge node that is located in the city of New York, as an example, that receives the video from the content provider on the West Coast, and then the edge node distributes or streams that video to the peers that are there in New York, saving a tremendous amount of bandwidth and improving performance for all of those viewers that are wanting to see the video that the YouTube servers are giving them. This whole process is totally transparent to the end user of the video. They don't need to do anything to take advantage of the Theta network and what it provides. It is strictly the content provider that is making the decision to use the Theta network as a means of distributing their video content, and for the content provider it saves them a tremendous amount of money to use the Theta network, and so they will move in that direction as a consequence of being able to save all that money. They will buy T-Fuel to pay out to the edge nodes that are participating within the Theta network and relaying the video that they receive from the server farm to their peers in the local area, referred to as the last mile. The edge nodes are incentivized to participate in the Theta network because they receive T-Fuel, which has been purchased by the content producers, to pay out to the edge nodes for in turn relaying their video content to the peers in the local area. Because the Theta network and its patented method of moving data across the internet is so efficient, orders of magnitude more efficient than the current method of data distribution across the internet, that it is going to be a real game changer and extend the life of the internet for many years to come. The internet in its current form is pretty much saturated. 75% of the data that moves on the internet is streaming video, and the Theta network and the way it handles things using these edge nodes and so forth is just going to radically reduce the amount of data that is moving across the internet, because of the tremendous amount of duplication that is currently occurring on the internet is eliminated by the patented method that the Theta network uses. Well, I hope this video helped to clarify a little bit. A user had asked whether the end users had to be running an edge node to do this, and the answer to that, of course, is no. It's totally transparent to them. So if you like this video, if it helped you understand anything better, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next video.